Shut up and sit down.
Scratch, 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 scratch. Dog scratch, cat scratch, monkey scratch. I scratch, you scratch, you scratch. If you don't know how to scratch, I will teach you how to scratch. Yay! Let's scratch. Hello there, welcome back. Now I'll be showing you what we will be creating in the tutorial series. One small step for a man, giant leap for mankind. The coast is clear, you may land. Phew, what a ride it was. Hey, let's do the moonwalk. If I tap the alien. Oh, what a long time it has been since I met someone. Who are you? Oh, it's a friendly alien. I am Abhay and this is my brother Bhargav. Hi. Oh, hello there. Nice to meet you. You must be from that blue ball there. Oh yes, we are from planet Earth, that is there. Oh, my uncle Octopus lives there. Can you please give him this gift? Your cousin alien gave a gift for you. Oh, what a long time it has been since I met him. Okay then, how is he doing? He's doing wonderfully well. Here is his gift for you. Oh, thank you so much. Hey, where am I? Where am I? Oh, is that an alien? Yay! Now I can check on its DNA and I will be the best scientist in the whole wide world. Yay, my lucky life. Come on, little guy, let's go to my lab. Oh no, what have I come to? Please don't pull my ears. Ouch. Oh, can you just be quiet, please? No, I won't. Oh, what on earth. So, this is what you will be creating in the tutorials. Now, if you liked all of these and if you want to build, please subscribe and click on the like button. See you in the next video. Bye.